JH Design Unlimited can turn your boat's ordinary look into a true work of art from bow to stern. We have over 15 years of experience and thousands of successful projects behind us. Our team consists of 3M and Avery certified specialists who guarantee the highest quality on every wrap. And whether it's fresh or saltwater, in Florida we are known as the boat wrap specialists. Our large shop can accommodate boats up to 50 feet, allowing us to wrap vessels in a controlled environment for optimum results. Tired of your boat's color? Don't want to constantly deal with oxidation and gel coat issues? A colored vinyl wrap is the best solution. It not only improves the hull's appearance, but also protects the gel coat from external elements, eliminating routine waxing and compounding required to maintain it. Want a custom design on your boat? We could do that too. We'll design an original custom wrap created specifically for your vessel. And if you're a professional or competitive bass angler, we specialize in custom bass boat wraps and have wrapped many boats for some of the top bass fishermen in the country. A perfect wrap is always a process of several steps. It all starts with design and layout. Our designer with over 25 years of experience creates custom one-of-a-kind designs. Then comes the printing and boat preparation. The hull is carefully cleaned and prepped. During installation, our 3M and Avery certified install team ensures a flawless execution. We use knifeless tape to ensure there are no knife cuts on your gel coat, edge seal all edges to ensure no lifting and no water intrusion occurs in the future. We pay special attention to seams, corners, and curves of the hull. That's where the quality really shows. No bubbles, no wrinkles, no imperfections. And as the result, from a plain, faded hull, your vessel transforms into an exclusive boat that turns heads on the water. Most importantly, this wrap keeps your investment protected year after year, even under the sun and salt. JH Design, transforming boats exactly the way you dream it. Style, protection, and attention on the water. Call us today and your next project starts right now.